Hello guys. Hello guys. So welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey. So we have already learned this video I'm making for the problem solving. So we have done with the if else. Now let me walk you through what are the videos we have done in the problem solving. Let's see here. Yes, we can go into this YouTube, and here you just need to search Vivek and Pandey dot Rajan dot. Yeah, here it is. You will get here. This is my pick, and you click on this. We have playlists, video, shorts, and playlist. Go on playlist, and here we have problem solving ones here. So you can see here what are the videos we have here. So these advertisements. Yeah. So what are the things we have done here is in this total how many? See here. So this is what odd number, happy number, and magic number we are done. In this, you can able to see in this series, this is the fourth video. Okay. So fourth video, and this is known as what? Magic number. Magic. Sorry, already magic is done. This is ugly number. Ugly number. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about what is ugly number. So let's understand what exactly the meaning of ugly number is. First, I'll give you with an example. So like factors. So what are the factors? Let's see. Now we have 6. What are the factors for the 6? Factors is 1, again 2, again here 3. 3 is also factor, right? 3 2 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. So which is forming the 6? What are the factors? What are the numbers? By when we are multiplying, then we are getting 6. Yeah. So again we have 6 itself. Yeah. And for the 4 also. So what are the what are the factors for the 4? We have 1, again we have 2, again we have 4 itself. Yes. For the 10, what are the factors for the 10? 1, again we have 2, 2 5 are, again we have 5, 5 2 ja, again we have 10 itself. Yes. So these are, what are these? These are the factors. Okay. Now in this, for ugly number, we are considering prime factors. So whatever the number it is having prime factors. So prime factor should be what? Prime factor should be 2. I'm writing in this 2. It should be 2, either 3 or 5. If the prime factor is in between this, at least 1, like 2 3 5, then we can say it is a ugly number. Okay. So see here, for example, in this we have 2 and 3, both are what? Prime factors. Yes. So this prime factors comes under this category. So prime factors should be in between in this. Okay. So we can say that here it is ugly number. For ugly number, this is the ugly number. For ugly number, the prime factor should be what? Either it can be 2, 1, any one is present out of this, then it is known as what? Ugly number. Now here, now in similar way, if it is 7, coming to the 7, is 7 is ugly number or not ugly number? Let's see. What are the factors of this? 1 and 7. 1 comma 7. Only 2 and this 7. What are the factors? We can divide it further. No, we cannot divide it further. Okay. So 7 itself. But this 7 is a prime factor. This is prime factor. Okay. But it is not in this 2. It is not in 2 3 comma 5. Yes. So it doesn't fall under this. So if it is falls under this, then only it is called as what? ugly numbered, so the prime factor should be either 2 or 3 or 5. Yes, or it can be both also, or it can be all three also. Yes, so this is called ugly number. Now let's see how we can write the code for this. So in order to write the code, what we need to do here is we need to open our PyCharm. Yes, let's see how we can do this. Yeah, so these things we are going to do now. Here we have my PyCharm. Yes, now here I will create one file, Python file, and I will give the name as ugly number. Ugly number. So I got a file name called ugly number. Now what I'm going to do is, now for example n, let me make it as I'm zoom in, so I'm making it bigger. Yes, now n, see here, n is equal to, for example, 10. I'm taking 10. Now what I need to do is I need to check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, reminder, it should be 0. So what I'm doing is while, I'm taking while loop, and then here whatever n is there, n percentile operator by 2, percentile 2 equal to 0. It means what? It is divisible by 2. When it is divisible by 2, what we are doing, we are dividing it simply. So what is our main purpose? We have to make as 1. We are making it as 1. Yes or no? For example, 10 is there. Why we are saying 10 is an ugly number? Because it is dividing by all this, and finally we are getting as 1. So now let me explain you this once again. Here you can see here 10. So now 2, 5 both are there. 2. So 10 divided by 2, how much I will get? I will get 5. Yes, divided means what? Here 2 slashes means floor division. What I got? 5 I got. Okay, good. Now again the 5, can I divide it by 3? Can I get it 3? No, right? I'm not getting 1, so I cannot. No, no. Now again, can I divide this 5 by 5? Yes. So what is the answer? What is the answer? I will be getting 1. So finally we should get as 1. When we are getting 1 by all this, applying all this, then we can say that it is a ugly number. 1 we should get. If we are getting 1, 1 here. Yeah. If we are getting 1 after dividing, yes, if we are getting 1 after dividing with all 2, 3, 5, then we can say it is ugly number. Then we can say that number is ugly number. Yes, so this is the concept behind this. Now, so what we need to do, we need to divide it also. So how to divide? N is equal to n double slash 2. Done, division is done. Now next one, I need to also use another while. This time this while will have the condition. What is the condition? While will have same condition, but instead of 2 it is 3, like 2, 3 and 5. So let's see here, 2, 3 and 5. So while n percentile 3 equal to 0. Now n is equal to n double slash 3. Done. Now next one is again while now here n percentile 5 equal to 0. N equal to n /5. That's it. We are done. Now we need to apply the condition. If the updated one n is equal to 1, then what we can say? Print the number is ugly number. It is ugly number, we can write. It is ugly number. Okay, it is ugly number. Now else if it is not, then we need to print what? Print it is not ugly number. That's it. Now let's execute this. So 7, sorry, it is 10, right? So 10 is an ugly number because it is having what? 2 and 5. Yes. Now instead of 10, if I'm writing here 7, now let's see. 7 is not an ugly number. Yeah. If I'm writing here 13, 13 is also not an ugly number. It is having prime factor, but it is not falling under 2, 3, and 5. So that's it, guys. So this is all about. But here we can see that we are repeating always this loop, right? So now I wanted to write everything in function so that we don't need to repeat all these things. Okay. So what I will do here is I will just write one function and I will pass. See. So no need to write a 3 times, 4 times while loop. So what I will do is I will take a def ugly, and then here I will pass two parameters. One parameter is n, the number which I'm going to divide, and by what I'm going to divide, that one I'm taking what? Division, by which we are going to divide it, div. Okay, so small div. I'm just taking d, just it's a d, capital D, by which I'm going to divide 2, 3, 5, like that. Now in this, what I'm writing is I need to use while. That is the use of functions, right? A repetition. We can stop the repetition, writing the same code again and again. So here what I'm doing here is I'm giving a condition n percentile d equal to what? 0. If this condition is true, then we are dividing it. N is equal to n floor division by d. That's it. Now after this, what I need is I wanted the n to be returned. Return n. Okay. Now this is done. This part is done. Now what I need is here n a value I have given. Now I need to call that function by passing parameters, right? N is equal to, what is the name of my function? Ugly. Yes. And here I need to pass n comma 2. Okay. With the 2 I am done. Now next one is n is equal to ugly n comma 3. With the 3 also I need to check. Then again n is equal to ugly and then n comma 5. That's it. So with all these things, whenever I'm calling this, it will go, the control will go here. N 13 comma d. D is what? 2. So 13 divided by 2 equal to 0. If the condition is true, then only it will go and it will return the n. Okay. If the condition is false, then again it will get back to the next one. So now let's see what happens here. I'm executing this code. 13 is a not ugly number. Now here if I'm writing 10, 10 is a ugly number. If I'm writing here, I'm taking 30. So obviously 30 will have 2 and 5 and 3. Yes, definitely. So it is a ugly number. So guys, this is the code for ugly number. See here. This is the code. Yes. So I guess you understood what is the meaning of this ugly number. Yes. So that's it. And if you have understood this, please do like, share, and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching this. Thank you. We'll meet again with a new concept. Till then, take care.